Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade on Monday, April 23rd of 2012. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend and you are back to analyze the Q chart here with me again. So let's take a look at our chart and see what happened here today. Wow, we are forming a beautiful doji right here. I can barely see it. It's right here, down here actually in gray, and I am putting my mouse over it right here, so hopefully you can see it. So it's right here in gray. We're forming that doji where? At support, okay? On a pretty significant volume. As you can see, we are having some spikes in volume right here. We're forming that doji on an above the average volume, so that's pretty good. Okay, so that's doji at support again. And then also we've been traveling back and forth between those two trend lines that I have drawn here on the chart that you see here, and we are in a downtrend traveling lower, but we are forming that doji at support below all major moving averages, which means that we're in trouble. Okay, but we have that doji at support on a pretty nice volume, so we could get a little bit of a bounce. If we do get one, we want to look for that low doji confirmation. What I mean by that is that if that doji at support is ever confirmed, we need to first break through the high of today, which was at 65.18, and then close the day above it, and then we could even try to push it all the way up to that 50-day moving average, which is at about 65.64 or 65.66, and then we can pull back down again going lower. Okay, so that is one of the scenarios here, but we are forming that doji again at support. That's a significant one here. All right, so that's why I want you to pay close attention to that guy tomorrow, and at the high of 65.18 as well as that low area right here 65.10, and then also the 50-day moving average and then the 8 moving average up here, because we are definitely way below all of them. So that's what you need to do tomorrow. Also watch the low of today, which is at 64.49, because if we do ever get lower, we would first of all have to break through the low 64.49 and then close the day below it, and from then on we would have some more potential to the downside to the next area of support down here 63.90. Okay, so that is what you have to do tomorrow, and pay close attention to all those areas of support and resistance that I showed you here, and also pay close attention to MACD and make sure it's going in the right direction. As you can see here, we've been traveling south here with the MACD confirmation. So the MACD is still pointing lower, traveling south, which is a pretty nice one here. Okay, it confirms everything that we see happening on the chart. So that's why I want you to pay close attention to this little guy here, because it's really important. And then also pay close attention to the volume and look for spikes in volume. Alright, so yeah, hope it helps you. Have a wonderful day, evening.